Design file settings are generally set correctly to start with in the seed file that you used when creating your design file. However, they can be modified on the fly whenever they suit your purpose. Design file settings are stored within the active design file only when you select Save Settings in the Quick Access toolbar or press Ctrl F. If changes are made and Save Settings is not initiated, those settings are used only for that particular design session. In this lesson, you will learn design file settings, working units, angle readout, element selection and selection set color. Continue in training.dgn in the floor plan model. Click on the File tab to go to the Backstage. Select Settings and then select Design File Settings. This opens the Design File Settings dialog where you can change design file specific settings. Some of these settings are in fact model specific, such as the working units. Select the Working Units category. Working units define the real-world units that you work with in the active model. Typically, the working units are predefined in the seed file and will not require any adjustment. Working units are composed of master units, otherwise known as MUs, and subunits, otherwise known as SUs. They can be set to English units or metric units. Changing the work units does not affect the size of the elements in the model. For example, you can draw in feet and inches and then change the master unit and subunit to meters and millimeters to get metric measurements. Note: do not change the resolution setting in the Advanced Settings dialog. It opens when you click the Edit button, as this does affect the size of existing elements. Because you use the metric seed file modelmetricgeneral.dgn to create training.dgn, the master units and subunits are both set to millimeters. The format and accuracy settings define the coordinate and distance readouts displayed in the status bar and dialogs. Ensure the format is set to MU so that only master units are displayed. Change the accuracy to 3 decimals. This does not affect the accuracy of calculations, only the unit precision displayed. In Category, select Angle Readout. This is where you can change the format and accuracy of the angle readout if needed. Select the Color category. Here you can set the highlight color used to highlight elements you have selected. Change both the element highlight color and the selection set color to magenta. Click OK to close the dialog. Click the arrow in the upper left corner of the Backstage, or press Escape to return to the active design. Select Save Settings in the Quick Access toolbar, or press Ctrl F to save the design file settings in the active DGN file, training.dgn. In this lesson you learned about design file settings, working units, angle readout, element selection, and selection set color. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.